Get this to 5,000 likes, my people. 1,000 people comment freedom. Ninja Man is now a free man. Video will be provided in this segment, my people. Today's Prayer Tuesdays. Subscribe and suffer play for the list to this.
Yo, now hear me I say. So not going like say you no member my bum buckler general. I'm not going like say no member the Dan Bum Gargan. I'm not going like say that gonna want the baddest thing ever walk through the blood fraternity. A dancehall entertainment. Yo, hear me I say the free ninja man. Free up buckler ninja man. Like a dog make a dog touch the road. I don't know youth. Ninja man I want the baddest buckler thing. You hear that? Yeah man, they never a clock man. That's what you think, no, man.
Everybody drop 5,000 likes.
One ninja man. You see, pray. Big up yourself, Gargan. Anyway, there. One buckle at Gargan. One gold teeth, front teeth. That is
Alright,
it.
so welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Ninja Man is a free man. He's a free man. And there is nothing that can stop it. Nothing cannot stop it. But what is interesting in this case, everybody, that I want you to know it is that the court's fault. It is the court's fault. They are the one that caused it. Their own error is what have to now force their hand to release Ninja Man. After 19 mentions, 21 mistrials, Ninja Man has now been forced to be freed. And that's right there. And we're going to talk about it. Today's Prayer Tuesdays, my people. And remember, your prayer life rules your entire life. Share the video, subscribe to the channel, my people. And make sure you stay tuned. You understand, my people, as I give to you now the updates. Now, Ninja Man's innocence is continuing to be maintained without a question of a doubt. Now, the judge's argument that has been brought forward to the case is that Ninja Man has been having too much problems with the law. They're saying from his original conviction in 1999, Ninja Man has had multiple felonies, and that is the problem. But the lawyers are now arguing, which they have successfully done so, that Ninja Man's right to a fair trial has been breached. You understand? I don't think many people understand what is the Constitution, and the Constitution is a very serious thing, and that is working in Ninja Man's favor right now. Now, when we look at this aspect, it is the green light for Ninja Man. You understand what I'm saying? So, where that is concerned, Ninja Man and everybody, you, me, Ninja Cartel, everybody, has what is called a constitutional right. But what I want you to also understand is that this is not a case of innocence, guilt, or even be the case. This is the Constitution working towards Ninja Man, because we're all cloaked under the assumption of innocence until proven guilty. Ninja Man's team, Robert Fletcher, has mounted a formidable defense, and they say that the court and the numerous errors is not the fault of their team or of their client, being the fact that Ninja Man served so many years, and that the fact that the court's 19 trial mentions and 21 mismentions, they're saying that justice is not given in a timely manner, and the courts are taking too long. And while they're taking too long, two things are happening. One, Ninja Man is getting older, and two, his health might become a factor as well. Now, when we look at the Constitution, now, a constitution is the supreme law, not whatever they think, the judge thinks, or what the lawyer thinks. The Constitution, which is working in Ninja Man's favor, is the supreme law of a state or organization, establishing its fundamental principles, structure, and governing rules. It defines how the entity is governed, empowers institutions, and established legal framework, often including protection of fundamental rights. And Ninja Man's rights to a fair trial has been breached, which has now placed him in a compromising position. But this is good news for Ninja Man, everybody, because the court's hands are being tied, and they now cannot afford to waste any more time because Ninja Man has already served years on his conviction already. This is a win-win. Okay? Now, what the Constitution continues to say is that it is the fundamental right and the supreme law. The Constitution of Jamaica, for example, is the supreme law that dictates the nation's governance and legal system. Okay? This happens to be the governing principles, a structure of powers, fundamental rights, changes to law, and many other ways that is benefiting to the people. The last time I came here, I gave you a video about what the lawyers were arguing in court, saying that Ninja Man deserves mercy. This cannot afford to be a case that is going to cost the state like a vibes cartel, and the judges have to now come back scraping up scraps like what Judge Sykes is saying, because the system and the courts continue to lack and it continues to perform inefficiently. Ninja Man is a free man, Jamaica. Ninja Man busts the case, not by what is defined as guilt or innocence, but the fact is that they are not performing in a timely manner while life is currently slowing away from Ninja Man. This is good news. Okay? But let us continue to hear what the Director of Public Prosecution has to say. Now, when she originally convicted Ninja Man, everybody, she celebrated and said that this is a hard-won case. Okay? This is according to her. Veteran dancehall artist Desmond Ninja Man Ballantyne, who early at that time was called on by the Minister of National Security to be a motivational speaker of a member of the police force, was convicted of murder by the Supreme Court. Now, Ballantyne was charged with dropping and shooting with intent following a gun attack in March 2009, which left Ricardo Johnson, a resident of Mall Road in St. Andrew, dead. Now, following that, the co-convicts, which are his son, Janil and Dennis Clayton, were also charged in relation to the incident. Now, it was a hard case, is what the DPP said. She said that it was a hard case and it was a difficult one. Circumstantial evidence are difficult cases. The Crown had to prove that there was a common design to cause serious bodily harm to Mr. Johnson, and that the pursuant of the common design, all three were culpable, explaining the Director of Public Prosecutions, Paula Llewellyn, in the ruling. It was a hard-fought case in terms of law. It lasted about 5 weeks, and you would have appreciated the way with the experience that the defense counsel and the quality of how it was given. Now, Llewellyn also placed a congrats to the JCF, which now comes under scrutiny, because according to Ninja Man's lawyers, they had originally sought to tarnish Ninja Man's reputation by submitting frivolous reports saying that the umbrella group, which has served the less fortunate in volatile areas, which has given back to the poor, kept fundraising and charity events, was labeled a gang, and Ninja Man as a gunman and a dan. Smear campaign. So, malicious prosecution might well be available to a libel case to Desmond Ballantyne. Now, what I want you to know is this. They're saying all these things, but the court did not provide a timely manner, which what I am telling you, the breach of his rights. They did not present a timely case. 19 mentions and 21 mismentions placed Ninja Man's alibi in jeopardy. They had the luxury to use the Crown's witness, which would have been so by the defense, but it was not able. They could have proven common design, but Ninja Man's lawyers did not. So they had to rely on the Crown. Freedom for Ninja Man. Leave a like on the video, share the video. We have more to come. Stay tuned. Pride Tuesdays continues. Don't go nowhere. So forward.